In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rectangular arrays in AutoCAD. Whether you're designing complex layouts or simply trying to duplicate an object efficiently, mastering this tool can significantly enhance your productivity and precision. So let's dive in. First off, let's start by drawing the shape you want to array in your AutoCAD workspace. Maybe it's a window for a building plan, a series of tiles, or any other object that you need repeated consistently across your layout. Ensure your shape is complete and exactly how you want it to appear before creating the array. Once your shape is ready, the next step is to select it. By clicking on the shape, you'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's selected and ready for further commands. The selection is crucial, as it tells AutoCAD exactly which object you wish to replicate through this process. After you've selected the shape, it's time to type Array into the command line and then press Enter. This command is the key to unlocking the array functions in AutoCAD, setting the stage for you to design your pattern. Now you'll need to choose the type of array you want to create. Since we're focusing on rectangular arrays, you'll select Rectangular from the options provided. Hit Enter after making your selection. This is where the magic begins, as AutoCAD prepares to help you replicate your shape into an orderly matrix formation. Once you've entered the rectangular array command, a new panel will appear at the top of your screen, known as the Array Creation panel. This is your central hub for customizing how your repeated objects will be arranged. Take a moment to explore this panel, as it offers you the flexibility to edit the number of rows and columns your array will contain. You'll also have control over the spacing between each duplicated shape, giving you precise control over the final layout. Manipulating these settings allows you to create anything from tightly packed sequences of shapes to widely spaced series, depending on what best suits your project. If you're creating a tile layout for a floor, you might want a tighter configuration, or if you're working on an exterior facade, you might opt for more generous spacing. The choice is yours, and experimenting with these settings can help you find the perfect configuration. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to use rectangular arrays in AutoCAD to replicate and arrange objects efficiently. This tool can be a game changer in terms of speeding up your workflow and ensuring consistency across your design projects. Thank you for choosing to learn with us today. Until next time, happy designing!